guys, what's up? It's your boy Sammy Armaki, and this is the part 2 of my room redecorating mini series. I don't even know what to call it, but this is just decorating my room more, and then I'm gonna do a big room tour at the end. As you know from my past video, I was in San Diego. Yeah, you can see it back there. I wasn't here for a week, and she put up a lot of stuff and changed out a few things, which is super cool. I'm just gonna show you what she changed, and I hope that you enjoy the video. So this is what I was just filming in. It's my new vanity mirror, which is super cool, and these are like Hollywood style lights, which is honestly like my entire dream. Like, that's exactly what I was envisioning my room. My mom put this up so that I could see it when I walked into my room, and it's really cute, and it's like a letterboard, but it changes colors, so that's really cool. And this is just my vanity now, and I think I already showed you that, but that's my cork board, and this is like my shelves. She just bought these colorful LED lights. We're gonna put it up on my tapestry. She also swapped out this frame for a white one, and this is my mattress. So yay, I finally have a bed. And we're gonna put together my bed frame so that I can sleep on it tonight. Hey guys, so in this clip, my mom and my stepdad are helping me put together my bed frame, and I just really wanted to go for this like minimalist, simple, modern kind of bed frame, which is why it looks like a box with legs. And as you can see, it doesn't have a headboard, and I actually really like this style. I'm not really sure what kind of bed this is called, but I mean, this is just us putting it together. This is the finished bed frame. Thank you, Dee. Thank you, Mom. I think it'd be nice to have like a foot of space on each side, because this place has like a lot of room. The completed fairy lights, as one would call them. And right now we're hanging up my shelves, and then this side of my room will finally be done. Right now, me and my mom are gonna hang up this fake brick wall that we bought on Amazon. So now here's a time lapse of us cutting them out and putting them on the wall. Hey again! So in this video you can see I'm just cutting out the alternating brick pattern and piecing them together with a stapler, which might not be the best thing, but I didn't want to peel off the sticky side of the back because I was afraid that it would take off the paint from my wall. So we are just stapling it, and hopefully I will have the time later to put white paint over it. Here we were trying to figure out the best way to put the wallpaper up without it colliding with my light switch. So my mom and my stepdad actually figured out a way to put it behind the light switch, as you will see in the completed part, but I thought that it looked really nice and it looked almost professional.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Yeah, hey, every day can be a better day despite the challenge. All you gotta do is leave it better than you found it. It's gonna get difficult to stand, but hold your balance. I just say whatever, cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in
So I think that completes this room redecorating video. and I'm just so excited and so happy about the way that it turned out. I don't know, I just like, it feels very mature, very clean. Like, for some reason this side of my room is like all blue and like gray whites, and then over here it's like green and white. So I think that's kind of funky, but I kind of like it. Yeah, I just hope that you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys, and peace out, Girl Scout.
No, it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good, like I should.